So this is how you decrypt. First of all, click system, then permanently decrypt system partition drive. Oops, wait, I forgot to mount. Select file again, then look for the file in the here where's your the encrypted file. So then click mount, then password 1234. So there you go. Click system, permanently decrypt system. Oh, um, um, if it's like this, move all files from TrueCrypt, the TrueCrypt encrypted file. Example here, you have a file there. Copy all of them to a safe place or a place in your hard drive. Then just delete. Then dismount this drive. Force dismount. Yeah. Then just go to this. Wait. Go to this drive. And just delete the container, just like a normal file. So there you go. There's um no more encrypted files in there. Thank you.